Ebusian for my mom, Aquaba, and found Bragana, Sam TVGH, Mesro, like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime I post a video with Seria, we sound like heavy. Ebusian for gradually, MPP contest, no, back together, a can, a polling station, a electoral areas, after so, a constituency, and most of the constituencies are still making their appointments now. Conform more year appointment and so no, they are submitting names and all. We are gearing up towards regional elections, and now from regional and so the national. If we are still following timetable, MPP are setting money one. Hopefully by latest September end, and now we have a new set of executives all together. Na sa contest we na yen so ayewo Ghana TVGH monitor keenly. Say the development no bebreo. Now look, truth must be said, and it say some individuals are making known say per se be executives no me dream kra me ntiase. Frankly speaking, sincerely speaking, because individuals be were party nema omama ye hu say election 2024 defeat defeat by my nyina no nipa baku mienu be fought entina sa defeat no buy.
You see, Dr. Bawumia call and you speak economy in one sem.
And not when you're frontal with it.
Can correct. Dr. Bawumia campaign to me.
Yes.
Or can say but speak economy in one sem.
So okay, economy I saw.
Omu view no. And this is what they have held on to. And such individuals also no Ukraine. Anytime our party no edit decision ever say, oh, we want to do A or we want to do B, we want to do C, no. Those individuals always make it seem as though they know better than the party. Now, one such people, undeniably, Papa Eveno, Eugen Antwi. Me, I thought I'm surprised that Papa will person by General Secretary of the New Patriotic Party. So now he's being MP now. Yeah. Because Papa we and you say me bad my friend no analysis na Papa we after 2024 election ukona kotie interviews Papa we grantee ya. They will also blame Alhaji Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia. LA all blames no at the doorstep of Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia. And then me one say MPP as a party has since said it is best for us to have Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia represent us again in 2028. Then Papa Eugen Antwi so say General Secretary. Because look, if you have executives that are not willing or that do not believe in the leader you are presenting, they are not going to work in their best possible ways to ensure that leader wins. And then Ukraine. I mean, I don't know what you think about it, but I felt say, look, even the time directive bar say MPP we are boycotting TV3 Mbekaya. Subin MP. And then I remember on top of my head, Papa we are now chairman to me lawyer no. Omumie no. As and when they felt like they were on TV3 and media general networks, granting one interview after the other. Some things were what I say as a party we should learn not to forgive. Yes, as a party there are some things we must learn not to forgive. Otherwise, I dare friend discipline party a bimba party no muda. It's a truth. It is a truth. And I mean, I'll leave it to you in the comment section. Let me see what you also think about this.
Also, the issue of the Ghana for people now a feeling in their pocket. I recall, say, MP sa na wo ka ho sorry at the time of finance minister na was say otena nchen kakra in the interest of the party. Omampanyi ma mo time no meaning say pa ho there by pa ho I think the guy the finance minister then was asked to step aside. Who feel say cha che wa ban mu nso ha mo?
Well, you see, Dr. Bawumia Antwi would pick economy in one.
And not frontal with it.
Cannot correct. Dr. Bawumia campaign to me.
Yes.
Or can say would pick economy in one.
So okay, economy I saw. It okay economy. Anytime say why very frontal with it.
And I make a because the economy in the state and they will not give a campaign. Share DDEP. Share the inflicting on our pensioners. Never pay me money din. Koye consultancy or Sierra Leone. That time $50,000, 2012 it trace cannot turn account to me. Till I'm 500,000 Ghana cedis equivalent.
Yeah.
Damn, the corner or the phone or me. MPP ni mapa. Deep party for almost 65 years of his life. Was in his 80s. Only papa ne colleague. Obi in the phone me 500,000, I do 296,000.
Ish.
As a party no tobacco to aba. It's ye car, Obitiwa, on Tiasia, and I'm Kramudiabo, and I'm a rebel. Maybe a rebel. Me a lawyer anybody, me a rebel. Me a lawyer anybody. Did that time I detest it. Me a rebel. Obi a Meshemra, upstanding member of society like me, me a rebel. Munim rebel. Go be yard on the young to a rebel. Some many in I can wear a whole former chief justice. Echo Piketty, Minister of Finance.
Yeah.
Now I say, nay, year one.
And so optics no was
bad
for the
party. Optics very bad.
Very bad. Yeah.
Oka, you say, hey, I don't know what Oka. Yeah, so Mungam. Mungutuno. Mungutuno on the seat, so I don't know what go against the government. Now, you cannot say a karma. Ye karma, man. Ye karma party, no. Yenti. And it 1997 standard, so. We had 61 seats and they wait 8. 19, tell me our numbers, we had 1997. It is sometimes I send money a car. Me who say window party in chair will be you. And I may have watched chairman tear the make a show. We no doku for the chairman. Was I make sure he became president against all odds. To come any uncle, Amano. It may come as a man who are you to come and talk about me? Who are you? What do I say? But the beef you say once they are benefiting and chopping. And they say, yes.
But the DDEP, some will say, was a necessary evil. At the time, the government really had no option.
And I make a will say, yet Ghana, as my opinion, the role is a crowd to this, it will be 2 of my crown, 1 year DDEP. Into being seen, I make a being show. MPP, the GDA power, but we say, we are known as the better managers of the economy. When all the chips are down, you expect MPP to come up. What I say? And Nuntina a man Ghana for say, near for a penny. Was a party, no, a businessman, Buddha for own party, no. Now, if these people are living in droves, either they won't vote at all, or they're going to vote for them this year, then you know you have a problem. Because you are losing that touch. You understand?
Yes.
And you tell me, you know, be any break, say, you know, you only pack. And tell me, be some money, even try and sign red. What I say?
Yes.
Yes. Nagana phones at least yakasa chromati. I want to send Caribbean brain. Because dollar ya never channel says an echo. What I say? If you are boy then pay so and go for giant tomb. It you see, economy there, you lose the economy. President Kufuor into 2007 okay. Also she was set tremble to Nana Kufuor in 2016 7 no trade fair. Or say economy tea no the Dr. Bawumia eba. Nobody she sick as sem na mayen. Na Kufuor corner $1 to $1. Okay, so state is that you know, yes. He's saying it's one okay now, it's about economy. And we won the 2016 election, one on an anti-corruption crusade by our leader Nana Dankwa, and 2 by Dr. Bawumia economy. Nana Dankwa Kufuor. Emma Ghana for Nina Jitu Muse, a year parliamentary candidates in a year to Ghana was really said, Nanado, ne, Oshia Nado, and then the parliamentary candidates. Almost say fata say, you didn't mind show Monsa. That's why they voted, they gave us 169 seats and 1 million votes approximately. That's the hope they had in Nanado. What I say, because was in smoke. Yes, ebi abedu abem no ye nyame sa other external factors. But you see, politics, you are dealing with human beings, you are dealing with optics. Ghana for, I say English for, they are very conservative in thinking, in their thinking.
Yeah.
And they punish us badly. Me drew myself on panel, me got to about the election here lose.
On the day of election?
Oh, yes. My office is about 10 meters, it's about 15-20 meters away from the polling station. It's an opebia, can I pass it? Quabuchi watches, I know, friend. Minister Utia Mwadu, can I pass it? Quabuchi watch it, Pipe watch it, Tiano Pebia, Bidi watch it. Best 7:30 medidi. A boy quoted to 8 and I'm a Saneko. By 80 and me drew 8 can me do that, not much more. Me do the 200-300 no mugo. This time you don't pay no 50. If you catch a organizer, I don't know, I'm not a go to obey, or so I want to Saturday on Beto, and I'm a Tankanum. And I'm a farm, me one, and 7 my party bush here. Let me run my part to constituency. The same. Let me shame me. Nimbedu Accra MP's platforms, MPC be static as I say, they get the vote, they get the vote, people are not queuing, because see politicians, when people are voting, you can see. And I'm saying, hey, Adi, Ebeyini, Nishadida, Crapini, Crapini, I don't know, who grows Adi Ebeyini, or you feel my son, or the Adi Ebeyini. Oh, you see, clearly, we had lost the election. Many few months ago, I knew the election was gone.
It was gone.
Yes.
And
because Matra Kumasia Santuan me atwa by MPP about from 2008 all the way MPP about the BR according to the police station. Now we go to because the work was like work to yes to secure their position in the queue.
But what was the issue in Ashanti? Because Utimo said last 6 months to elections, and all far even 2024 year, no,